Hey, what's going on? It's your boy DJ TLM. Welcome to the breakdown right here on DJ TLM TV. This is my new Scratch tutorial series in which I break down Scratch patterns from my Saturday Sessions videos. Now, if you want to check out my Saturday Sessions videos or any other info I mentioned in this video, check the links in the description box down below. Let's take a look at the pattern we're going to break down today. Alright, so this is an interesting pattern because you're doing a pretty basic movement with your platter hand, but the fader is a different story. You'll be starting with the crossfader, doing a scratch pattern called the chirp. After that, you switch to the channel fader, where we're going to do a fade scratch to emulate an echo, and after that, we return to the crossfader to do a drag. So let's start with our fader in the open position. Now, for the first 3 bars, you're simply going to be doing a forward-backward motion, just a baby scratch. And we start like this. Open fader. On the forward motion, you close your fader. On the way back, you open the fader back up. And then you do that 3 more times. So 4 times in total. Here we go. Now, you're going to let go of your crossfader, grab your channel fader, and your platter hand is going to do 4 more baby scratches. Now, every time you do that baby scratch, you bring your channel fader down a bit, fading the scratch, fading the volume, creating an echo effect. After the 4th time, you bring your fader all the way back up, so we have full volume again, and you do it 4 more times. You bring your fader back up, and you end with a forward drag. Now, you return to your crossfader, you close, and you bring it back, and you open your crossfader, because that leaves you in the perfect position to repeat the pattern. So that's the entire pattern. The degree of difficulty is all in switching between your crossfader and channel fader. That might take you a second to get used to. Beyond that, it is a pretty basic pattern. So practice, have a lot of fun doing it, and I'll see you in the next edition of The Breakdown. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like the video, share the knowledge. If you're new to my channel, or if you've been watching but you're not subscribed, help me please those YouTube algorithms by subscribing and activating the notifications. It helps out the channel, and you'll always know when I drop a new video. I'll be back soon with The Breakdown. See you next time. Thanks for watching.